Happy Wednesday, everybody, if you're watching this on Wednesday. So I'm opening my folder for the week, and within this folder you have this Quizlet. I think this is the third thing that you need to do. So I sent you an email today. Today's Thursday around 8:45 to 9ish. You should have received that email asking you to join my Quizlet class. So for vocab, what I need for you to do is I need for you to create your own vocab flashcards, and I believe you can put them into the class. We're going to see if that works. If you can't, that's okay. But if you can, I would like for them to go into the class. So create your own. I have created flashcards with all the words. There are 27 words, so you can go through and figure out what the words are, figure out what the correct definition is. But then I also want you to actually upload a picture to each of your 27 words. I did not do that, but I would like for you to. I don't care if you draw that picture and then upload that, or if you go to Google and find pictures that go along with it. You choose which one you want to do. Once you have done your flashcards of your 27 words, then go ahead and study them for 10 minutes. Again, if you're able to put it into the class, go ahead and do that. If we're not able to put it into the class, I'll have to figure out how to do that, but make sure that you've joined my class. Also, Wednesday, if you came to West to pick up your supplies, in that supply bag, you should receive 3 things that I just threw at my computer. You should have received the unit notes, purple. You should have received this initial little packet, square roots and perfect squares. Those are also notes. And then you should have received the supplemental sheets if necessary. We may use these, we may not. But the reason I'm telling you that is that the first supplemental sheets are actually your vocab. So all your vocab words are on here too. If you want to look off that, you can do so. And I think that is all for the vocab part. All right, thanks guys.